Hi, I'm Barry Foster of Design Precast and Pipe, home of the lifting eye. We start today at the Grand Canyon, but why are we at this site of America's natural beauty? Well, it's to emphasize a point that all of us know, and that's the powerful destructive nature of water under pressure, and how water will find the path of least resistance to continue its flow. One thing is for certain, you are not stopping the flow of water when it's under intense pressure. So what does the Colorado River cutting through the Grand Canyon have to do with the concrete pipe business? We'll find out today. In past videos, we've seen the advantages of the lifting eye when it comes to unloading and laying pipe, and where the Design Precast lifting eye pipe was clearly better than pipe with a patched hole when it came to preventing contaminated water and sediment from leaking into the pipe. Well, that was water leaking from the outside in. But what about water under intense pressure from inside the pipe, looking for a path to continue its flow? We thought the Design Precast pipe with a lifting eye would contain the water much better than a pipe with a patched hole. But to find out for sure, we set up a test. We joined a piece of Design Precast lifting eye pipe to a pipe with a hole and sealed both open ends. We then drilled 2 holes in the pipe, one hole for the pressure gauge and one for the water flow going in, making sure that we sealed the instruments extremely well to avoid leaking at this point and ensuring that all of the water pressure would be on the integrity of the 2 pieces of pipe. Once these fittings were set, the pressure gauge was put in place and the water hose was connected. With the pipes full, the challenge was ready to begin. In this challenge, the lifting eye pipe would be going against 3 of the most popular methods for plugging a hole in a pipe: the concrete plug formed by a styrofoam cup, the grout and cement patch, and a plastic insert. The first challenge would pit the Design Precast lifting eye pipe against the grout and cement patch. As the pressure in the pipes increased, the water found its easiest path right through the grout and cement patch. And the lifting eye pipe, well, it remained high, dry, and sealed. In the second challenge, the lifting eye pipe was going against the concrete plug formed in a styrofoam cup. Once the plug was placed firmly in the hole, the water was turned on, and this thing started leaking immediately. It didn't take this water under pressure any time at all to find its path of least resistance. And once again, the lifting eye stayed sealed. The third and final challenge was the lifting eye against the plastic insert. Once the water pressure was applied, it too started leaking immediately. As the pressure increased, the plastic insert proved no match at all for this force. And the lifting eye pipe from Design Precast, once again, held strong. It's clear, if water pressure can cut through a mountain to create the biggest hole in our country, it can easily find its way through a patched hole in a concrete pipe. The lifting eye pipe from Design Precast is a sealed structure and keeps the water inside the pipe, where it belongs. For Design Precast and Pipe, I'm Barry Foster.